Welcome back to the channel where we help you capture epic moments without breaking the bank. If you're an adventurer, vlogger, or just someone who wants to relive your wildest memories, today's video is for you. We've rounded up the top 5 best budget action cameras in 2025, all under a great price, packed with powerful features, and ready for any adventure. And yes, all the links to grab them are right down below in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got the AKASO Brave 7 LE, a waterproof warrior with front and rear screens, perfect for vlogging on the go. It shoots in crisp 4K and comes with a ton of accessories in the box. No extra spending needed. For under-the-radar adventurers who want value and versatility, this one's a solid start. The AKASO Brave 7 LE is the perfect companion for thrill seekers, content creators, and everyday explorers who want stunning footage without the premium price tag. Designed to perform in any condition, this all-weather action camera is built for versatility, power, and simplicity, all wrapped into a rugged and compact package. With its IPX7 water-resistant design, the Brave 7 LE laughs in the face of rain, snow, and splashes. And when you're ready to dive in, simply pop it into the included waterproof housing and explore the underwater world down to 131 feet. But that's just the beginning. Thanks to its dual color screen design, framing your shots has never been easier, whether you're behind the camera or capturing the perfect selfie. The vivid front display is selfie-ready, while the intuitive 2-inch rear touchscreen makes menu navigation and playback a breeze. Shoot in stunning 4K at 30 frames per second and snap crisp 20MP photos that bring your adventures to life. Whether you're carving down a mountain or walking through the city, EIS 2.0 ensures smooth, shake-free footage that looks professionally filmed, even when you're on the move. The Brave 7 LE also includes a suite of pro features like digital zoom, time-lapse, burst mode, and fast motion, giving you total creative control over every shot. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly share your epic moments with the world. Included in the box, 2 1,350 mAh rechargeable batteries, a remote control, a full set of mounting accessories, and the external microphone support that vloggers love. It's an unbeatable bundle for the price. At number 4, we've got the Apexcam 4K action camera. It's small, mighty, and surprisingly feature-packed for the price. You get 4K recording, a waterproof case, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a remote control, all for less than the cost of dinner and a movie. If you're just starting out, this is a great budget pick. The Apexcam 4K action camera is your ultimate companion for recording life in stunning detail. Engineered for versatility and clarity, this compact powerhouse lets you shoot like a pro without spending like one. With 4K video at 60 FPS and ultra-sharp 48MP photo resolution, you'll capture every heart-pounding moment in crystal-clear quality. The advanced 6-layer optical glass lens brings incredible realism and vibrant color to every frame, ensuring your memories look just as amazing as they felt. Equipped with 8x digital zoom, the Apexcam lets you get closer to the action without losing detail. Whether you're zooming in on distant landscapes or capturing up-close excitement, you'll never miss a moment. Plus, it comes with a 64GB micro SD card right out of the box, so you're ready to fill from day one. Control your shots from a distance using the 2.4G wireless remote or connect via Wi-Fi with a live DV app to instantly preview, transfer, or share your footage. The remote works up to 15 meters, making hands-free shooting easier than ever. Want to turn your camera into a dash cam? With driving and pre-record modes, the Apexcam has you covered. It starts recording with your engine and even saves crucial seconds before you hit record. Perfect for capturing the unexpected. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens automatically corrects distortion, giving you an immersive field of view without manual tweaks. With multiple shooting modes like time-lapse, loop recording, burst photo, and continuous lapse, your creative options are endless. Fully waterproof up to 40 meters with the included housing, and packed with helmet mounts, straps, and two 1,350 mAh rechargeable batteries, This action cam is made for adventure, whether on land, sea, or air. Coming in hot at number 3, it's the DJI Osmo Action 3. A beast of a camera with rock-steady stabilization that'll make your bumpy rides look buttery smooth. It's built like a tank, shoots in high-quality 4K at 120 frames per second, and handles freezing temps like a champ. For thrill seekers who want professional quality without the pro price tag, this one's a no-brainer. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo is your perfect partner. Built for the bold, this action camera delivers cinematic visuals, hands-free convenience, and rugged durability wherever your journey takes you. Shoot like a pro with 4K HDR video at 120 frames per second and bring your memories to life with over 1 billion colors, thanks to advanced 10-bit color depth. Whether you're filming sun-drenched mountain trails or shadowy canyon rides, HDR technology ensures vivid, lifelike results, even in high-contrast scenes. Tired of shaky footage? Say hello to Horizon Steady. Whether you're snowboarding down slopes, cycling on rough trails, or leaping out of planes, Horizon Steady keeps your videos buttery smooth and level for a professional look. No gimbal needed. Built for extreme conditions, the Osmo Action 3 performs flawlessly in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius and delivers up to 160 minutes of action on a single charge. With 2 batteries included, you're set for up to 320 minutes of continuous shooting. That's nearly a full day of adventure. The outdoor combo includes a chest strap and backpack mount, making it perfect for hands-free filming during hiking, cycling, rock climbing, or any adrenaline-fueled activity. And thanks to the quick-release vertical mounting system, you can switch orientations in seconds for content ready for Reels, TikToks, or YouTube. Ready to dive in? The Osmo Action 3 is waterproof up to 16 meters without a case. Ideal for snorkeling, diving, or splashing through waterfalls. Control and playback are easy with the dual front and rear touchscreens, both coated with hydrophobic film for smooth operation even with wet hands. Perfect for vloggers and content creators on the go. With the DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo, your adventures won't just be remembered. They'll be relived in cinematic brilliance. In second place, we've got the GoPro Hero, the legend that started it all, now better and more affordable than ever. You get that signature hyper-smooth stabilization, waterproofing right out of the box, and top-notch image quality. It's the go-to choice for creators who want reliability and cinematic footage on a budget. Capture life's most epic moments in stunning detail with the GoPro Hero, the compact, waterproof action camera that packs serious performance into a rugged, pocket-sized design. Whether you're diving into the ocean, hitting the slopes, or recording your next travel vlog, the Hero is ready to roll with you anywhere. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD video and 12MP photo capability, this action cam delivers crystal-clear footage and vibrant images that bring every adventure to life. Thanks to its advanced CMOS sensor technology, your content will be sharp, rich in color, and ready for sharing straight out of the camera. The 1.76-inch touchscreen makes it easy to frame shots, play back footage, and quickly adjust settings on the fly. The intuitive interface ensures smooth control, whether you're a seasoned GoPro user or just getting started. Built tough and waterproof right out of the box, the GoPro Hero is ready to tackle the elements. Whether you're caught in the rain or snorkeling in shallow waters, this camera can handle it. No additional housing required. Compact doesn't mean limited. With USB connectivity, quick data transfers, and charging are a breeze. Record in MP4 format for easy editing and instant compatibility with your favorite devices and platforms. The wide-angle lens gives you that iconic GoPro look, capturing more of the scene in every shot. Perfect for action-packed adventures, travel vlogs, family moments, or even professional content creation on a budget. Use a micro SD card to store hours of high-quality footage and easily swap cards when you're on the go. The lightweight design means it fits easily in your pocket or mounts effortlessly on helmets, bikes, and gear. And taking our number 1 spot, the AKASO Brave 8 Lite. This little monster punches way above its weight with 4K 60 video, advanced EIS, a beautiful touchscreen, and super clear audio capture. It's basically a mini GoPro killer at a fraction of the price. If you want high-end performance for a low-end cost, this is your new travel buddy. The AKASO Brave 8 Lite, a powerful action camera designed to capture your story with professional precision and rugged reliability. Whether you're riding the waves, scaling cliffs, or vlogging your daily life, this compact yet robust camera is built to perform. Powered by the advanced Ambarella chip and a premium 7-glass lens, the Brave 8 Lite records in stunning 4K at 60 FPS and shoots brilliant 20MP stills. With HDR support, it enhances every highlight and shadow, delivering lifelike colors and striking visual detail, no matter where you point the lens. What really sets it apart is its super smooth stabilization technology, a dynamic 2-in-1 system combining built-in anti-shake hardware with a smart smoothing algorithm via the AKASO Go app. The result? Incredibly fluid, gimbal-like footage, even during fast-paced, action-heavy scenes. Built to endure, the Brave 8 Lite is waterproof up to 33 feet without any housing and can dive as deep as 131 feet with an optional waterproof case. Made with tough aluminum alloy and PC plastic, it's ready to thrive in extreme environments, from snow-covered peaks to underwater depths. Love to vlog or shoot solo? The dual-screen design makes framing yourself a breeze. Switch between the 2-inch rear touchscreen and the front selfie screen with ease. Plus, the included rechargeable wristband remote gives you control without ever reaching for the camera. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or documenting daily adventures, the AKASO Brave 8 Lite brings pro-level performance to your pocket, all without breaking your budget. There you have it, our top 5 best budget action cameras in 2025. Which one are you taking on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't forget, all the links to grab these cameras are down below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more awesome gear reviews.